and welcome to my channel. So today we have a very interesting problem that is asked in many interviews. So in this we have one table, and in this table we have team 1, team 2 and winner details. That means uh, this table is about the cricket team. So in this first row, if you see, there is a match happened between India and Australia, and out of India and Australia, India won the match. Similarly, if you look into this second row, this match happened between Australia and England won this match. And similarly, for this third row, New Zealand won the match that happened between South Africa and New Zealand. And from this input table, we have to count these details. That means we want to create another table. For example, if you see, we have team name India, and India played total of 2 matches. Out of that, India won 2 matches and India lose 0 match. So we want to create this table from this first table. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So initially we had this informations team 1, team 2 and winner. I have taken team 1 and winner column, and under that I have set team 2 and winner column. So after once we do this, we will get a complete table like this. So now let's try to understand how we are getting this information. So let's look into this Australia team 1, which is orange highlighted. Australia played 3 matches, which is equal to the number of time Australia comes under this team column. And also, if we confirm this from our first initial table, then we can see that there is a match happened between India and Australia. So this match played by Australia, this is one. And there is one more match which is Australia and England. So Australia played second match here. And if we look down, so there is one more match happened between Australia and India. So in total, Australia played 3 matches. That means if we count the Australia name from team 1 and team 2, we will get the total number of matches played. So this is what we are doing here. We are counting all the names of Australia, which is 3. So that is why we have this 3 here, and which is the total number of matches played. And if we want to check the number of wins, so let's look into this India detail now to understand this number of wins. So in this table, if we count the number of matches played by India, so we have 2 names for India. So that is why we have 2 here. And to count the number of wins, what we can do is we can check if team is equal to winner. If if that is the case, then we can say that yes, that match is played by this team, and also that particular team won the match. So that is why if we want to count the number of wins, we can check if team is equal to winner. So for India, we have this row where team is equal to India. So that is why one match played by India, and also India won this match. And also one more row we have, which is the last row. So this match is played by India, and also the winner was India. So that is why for India we have 2 matches win. So that is why we have this count as 2 here. And if we look into the losses, then we have to check whether the team name is not equal to winner or not. So currently we have 2 India names. So this is at the first place and at the last place. And also both the names are matching with the winner name. So that is why we don't have any row where team name is not equal to winner. So we have 0 here. So let's look into Australia team to count the number of losses. So for this Australia, if we check, this team name is Australia and the winner was England. That means Australia played one match and England won that match. So we have one loss here. And again Australia played one match and India won that match. So we have 2 loss. And again Australia played match and India won that match. So we have 3 losses for Australia. So that is how we are getting this 3 number here. So this is our approach of solving this problem. So now let's jump into our SQL editor and see how we can solve this problem in actual environment. So we have cricket match result table here, and out of this, let's try to find all the details that are required. First, we want to set team 2 winner details under team 1 winner detail. So we can do this with select team 1 as, and we can name this as team name, comma, we also need winner from this table. And because we want to set team 2 winner under this team 1 winner. So we are using union all, and we can again do the same, but this time we will do this for team 2 winner from again the same data set. So now let's run this and see if we are getting the data under each. So now you can see we have a column called team name and winner, and we have team 2 winner under team 1 winner data. From this we want team names and number of matches played by team, number of wins and number of losses. So to do this we can do select, and we need the team name, and also we want the number of matches played by team. So we can say this number of matches played. So to get the number of wins, we need to check whether team name is equal to winner. So we can do this with case when team name equal to winner. When this is the case, we can say when this is the case, we are returning 1, else we are returning 0 and end. And also we are doing sum of all these. And we can say this as number of wins. And similarly we also need number of losses, and in that case, and we have to check where the team name is not equal to winner, then we can say that that particular match played by a team but they lost that match. So we can again use the same condition, and but this time instead of equal we are using not equal, and also we can say that this is number of loss. And from this entire data we can use this in our subquery, and we can name this as A. And because we need this for each and every team, so that is why we are using group by team name. So let's run this and see if we are getting the correct result. Yeah, so this is our result. So you can see now we have the number of matches played. So to find the number of matches played, we are counting the team names as we have seen in our document. And similarly, to count the number of wins, we are checking whether team name is equal to winner. If that is the case, we are returning 1. And at the end, we are summing up all the 1 and all the 0 group by this team name. Similarly, we are doing this for number of losses. So this is the way to solve this problem, and going forward I will be posting more questions related to SQL. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, and please let me know if you have any question related to SQL. I'll create a video and I'll try to solve that and share with you all. Thank you.